looked like we'll be just around the 300 range, but we have managed to kind of perk up, ending around just around 19,300 mark. So that weakness that we saw last week at least did not continue to a whole lot, though there was selling pressure at the top yet again. But the advance decline ratio is looking much healthier. There were almost 1,200 stocks advancing to 900 stocks declining. There was quite a bit of strength today in Bank Nifty, which was the outperformer today. So Bank Nifty goes home with a gain of around 0.7%, and large bulk of it actually happening through the PSU names, because it was PNB, Union Bank, Bank of India, Indian Bank. These were the stocks which are holding up. The top sectoral gainer today, of course, was pharma. So Glenmark, Lupin, Cipla, Biocon, these were the key leaders from the pharma pack in the pink of health. In terms of the real estate sector as well, we saw quite a bit of momentum. So Indiabulls Real Estate stands out with a 4% gain. You also had Phoenix Limited, Godrej Properties that were doing all right. We just flagged out some of the auto ancillary names, the likes of Jamna Auto, Atul Auto, Precision Camshafts. These are big gainers in the trading session today. You also had some other sectors not doing so well. So IT, for instance, was on the back foot throughout the trading session. Mid-cap IT specifically, Emphasis, Coforge, etc. On the gaining side, can't not talk about Indiabulls Housing Finance, that exclusive story that we bought for you on ET Now, talking about how overall we have seen a bit of a name change happening for the company. The leadership has changed, and the professional management coming on board is something that the street is banking on. Lakshmi Chemicals higher by 9%. We also have SJVN, Power Grid, Solar Industries, some of these big movers in the trading session today. On the losing side, not many names to flag out, but Poonawalla was seeing some profit booking, a 4% cut. We talked about Emphasis as well, wherein the demand headwinds is something the management highlighted in their analyst meet. So overall, a decent day of trading session coming in, not a runaway rally at all. We're ending just around that 19,300 mark. But at least that's some positive news coming in, and the start of the week has been pretty much all right. But with that, we're wrapping up this edition of Closing Trades. Thanks so much for being with us.